Thagachari ngasi Lenshi Diniba page Kudol Tamjabagi Tanjada Matanga Muglabzani Kumar Singh Education H. Gyan Prakash IAS Laishram Nandakumar Singh Kogendra Khomram Bijoy Kachingtabam ngasi pangtok jagadoriba taramo pagiwarol thambinabagdamagda.
A very good morning to all of you. Ngasi se koi all Manipur Working Journalist Union ki media sensitization program ma paikat piriba department
burdens and blockades on highways. Ngasi as a law minister, I'm interested. Now I was in draft. I had put it in the Assembly MLAs in the Assembly to Zeri. I am to study the Viri and the view highly putting it. But musically, you could say highways in the and it's not only in the hills. But valley this way. I think I have to finger point already. Some fingers are pointing back. But say a quickie number I gave you number highway to we can't just talk of burdens in Senapati and other places. The highways, any sort of stoppage. Highway, the National Highway Act, highway, the speed breaker of the National Highway. There should be no hampering of transportation and people and goods on national highways. I said, Masaki National Highways Act, big picture in mind. Let's not lose sight of the big picture. Manipur is one. No force on earth can break Manipur. I don't understand. But we have to think also from our side. We have to be large-hearted today. Nasi Puchin Pixan Bagimatam Nati, Puchil Chautu Bagimatam I am
Manung the education school education manung the local horangs madugi schemes central sponsor wagera state sponsor wagera madugi schemes sata se kamai shimot ke de basle mo ko kamana to badagi have sin da koi local ma place da khangal laga ay place sina pau ira ko matam da mamata khangna ba khangga irakna na sensitization program toris Hoje então na Minister Habib koi school pagala sim highways da yaw ba school sim da yaw adu list yaw da school madana hai school pagala ji da to le da school no jure re isan pa tasin da school pagala ji sim selected school khala du ado high ba school school pagala ji hai du gi ko school ko permission na bha ta ho da ba ta ne na ho da gi por koi doi aduna technical problem education is education school education by calling schemes and horizon Kanga policy Kanga but I'm the policy now Kanga Pasana Yamato Praza educate the policy with a Kanga Praza educate the way. Other than what Kanga because of Manusa Sida was a technical session that Missing my kid up as a Tabiba, Siliba, Kanginiba, Tahodo, Atahodo, as an expression that we know.